Multiviewer, Device, Settings. Click Multiviewer to enter the Multiviewer interface. The Multiviewer function requires that the preview card must be connected to the LCD monitor or to the switch which is on the same network segment at the H Series device through a network cable. Click Screen to display the current configured screen, and click Input to display the current connected input sources. Drag the screen or input source you want to monitor to the editing area on the right, and you can perform real-time monitoring on the preview display or the multiviewer menu on the LCD interface of the device. You can also click the MVR Layout at the bottom of the preview interface for quick setting. Click the device to enter the device interface to view the current connection status of the device. On the interface, green indicates that interface is connected normally. White means that the interface is not connected, and gray means that the interface is configured and unavailable. The current status of the device is displayed below the interface, including device temperature, fan speed, and device voltage. Click the Settings to enter the setting interface for other detailed settings.